Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the home section of the Menu and Pages tab. Let's jump right in. First, go to the sidebar and select Menu and Pages, then click Menu, Pages, and Home. This will take you to our homepage screen. First, you will select the area of your homepage that you would like to edit. For the purpose of this video, I will be editing the homepage middle area since it is the area that our clients edit most frequently. Once you choose an area, all the items that are currently in that area will be listed below. You are able to add as many stack items as you want to any given area on your website. You also have the ability to have a variety of different settings for those items as well. So let's do a sample item to show you exactly what I mean. So first you're going to enter a new name here. My name will be sample item. Next, you're going to select an item type. We have a variety of different item types here to choose from. However, 95% of the time, you will be either using Content Editor or Add Zone. So I will be doing it a Content Editor item today. Then, click the green button to add the item. As you can see, our sample item was added to the list of current items that are already in this area. Next, let's go over the different settings that we have for each of these stack items. To begin, we have this green scheduler button. This allows you to schedule when you want this item to be posted on your website. So you can click a time and a date to begin and end the item. If you do not click any time or date, the item will automatically pop up on your website when you add it. To the right here, we have this red button, which is a delete button if you want to delete the item. And then we also have this blue icon, which allows you to move the item around the website. The order in which you have the items stacked here will be the order that they are displayed on your website. Finally, we have this gear icon, which is our more advanced settings. There are some commonly used settings from this section. First, under item display, you will see an ID number. This number is used to duplicate the same item and share it to another website you may have with us. This setting allows you to easily replicate an item onto another website without having to start from scratch. Next is the visibility setting. This setting allows you to make an item visible or invisible without having to completely delete and re-add the item. Finally, under item headline, you can choose whether or not you want your item to have a headline or title. Now that we have gone over the various settings, I will take you into the content editor to show you how you can add to your item. Before we begin editing, I want to go into the demo site and show you what the item looks like before editing. So go to the top right hand corner, click the top link, and it'll take you straight into your website. This is our demo website. As you can see, our sample item is placed at the top of the website. However, the item is simply a headline with no content below it. So let's hop back into the admin portal so I can show you how to add content through our content editor. Click on the blue title of your item to enter the content editor. In this editor, you are able to add various types of content to your item. First, you can add simple text. You are able to change the style, the paragraph format, the font, size, and lots of other fun features to your text in this editor. Next, you are able to add links within your text. For example, say you wanted to link your contact page to this section of your text. All you have to do is simply highlight it and click this link button. Here, you can either paste a URL into this box or choose an internal page from your website to link. So I'm going to scroll, find the contact page, and link that. Now, the Contact Us page is linked to this section of this text. You also have the ability to add images to your items. Click this image icon and then choose Browse Server. You can choose from images that are already on the server or choose to upload new ones by clicking this Upload button in the top left-hand corner. Just a reminder, when you work on the web, it's important to keep file names simple. Avoid spaces and special characters when naming your images. I'm going to be choosing this image and then add it to my item. Now, as you can see, the image was uploaded onto my item. Finally, I'm going to show you how to add source code for YouTube videos and other embedded links. I'm I'm going to go to YouTube. I've chose this video, and now I'm going to go down to Share, Embed, and copy this code. Then go back to the content editor, choose the source button in the top left-hand corner, and then copy that code. This next step is optional. However, I want my YouTube video to go across the entire width of this section of the website. So I'm going to change the width from 560 to 100%. Then choose Save Changes. Now the YouTube video is down here. So let's hop over to our website to see how this looks. As you can see, the sample item header, the text, the link, the image, and the YouTube video are all placed under that item. Looks great. I hope this video helped you get a better understanding of how to edit the homepage of your website. I can't wait to see how great your website looks now that you know how to edit it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact customer support or visit our help center. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.